And Delmos Cars, we want to check out some metal at this metal shop down the street from where we live. And we're here with Chris and Dan.
All right.
So it's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. Okay, we just got back outside of TTI Steel in Plainfield, New Jersey. Zip code, I don't know. Not Z088. The guy's gonna cut it up real quick. He's gonna take 10 minutes. We're gonna throw it in the bag. We're gonna bring it home, and we'll start building some go-karts. I have one.
This guy too. Come on, man. What the fuck?
You hit the right away.
I do?
Technically, you went to the stop sign after he did. You was going left, he was going right. So you want to be an asshole or not let you go. Next time we gotta bring gloves.
Yeah, I didn't know it was gonna be like that.
Yeah, I should have figured that was gonna be greasy.
Bro, with two C's.
There's no way to know. Can you go inside?
Yeah, you can go inside.
No, you can't. Can you?
Yeah, you can. I went inside when we went on a road trip to Illinois. We went inside.
Check the thing.
What's that?
You see the door?
Yeah, what is that?
I don't know. I can't read it.
Give me a check. Give me a second.
Alright, let's see what he does. You go in?
You go in? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Great. Of heartburn. Stay, Miley. Go. Go. Go, Mama, go. Back inside, Miley.
Go back inside.
Alright, we just put all the metal.
Time to crash into the house.
Get a pair of gloves. Oh man, this fucking door's heavy. There we go. Thing of beauty.
Oh, this thing's skinnier than I thought it was gonna be.
Shit. Stay.
What's this?
Sit. That's not yours.
No.
Miley.
Go.
Hi, Miley. Miley.
Back inside.
Bring all this shit in.
Gonna move Miley or what?
Miley, come here.
Miley, go. Put it behind. What is this?
One of the scrap leftovers.
Don't touch this stuff, it's all nasty. Well, yo, where should I put this stuff?
This is good. Just hang it, I guess stack it upward. All right. Yeah, that's what we got in our hands the first time we did it.
I thought this was supposed to be cheaper. Steel.
Alright guys, this is phase 2 and setting up our workstation for the go-kart. We have all of our stuff right here that we bought from various different websites and whatnot. Mostly welding stuff, so we got our welding gloves right here.
Those look nice.
We got a welding magnet holder for doing corners and stuff. That's actually pretty cool. Angle grinder to cut the metal that we just bought.
Brought a brand new metal
Yeah.
before. Looking good.
Got a dope helmet, look at this.
Beautiful red helmet.
Oh, look at that, that's actually pretty cool. I haven't seen it yet.
And that's darkening too. It has an auto darker in it.
Really?
From the front, yeah.
Cool. This is just kind of like our cart. You could see a
Big
picture
cart
right here.
stool.
You can just hold everything there.
Beautiful.
Got your flux and you know.
Oh, the thing's heavy.
Oh, and finally,
The MiG 170 itself.
the Big Papa. Yep. That's
All
right.
from Harbor Freight.
Yeah. Harbor
Sponsored
Freight.
by Harbor Freight right here.
I wish.
Beautiful store.
Harbor Freight sponsor us.
Looking well. All right.
So that's it. We're just gonna set this up. We'll do a time lapse. See how it goes.
Let's get to it.
budget.
Five Guys, burgers or fries.